Have you ever wondered about the wisdom that gets passed down through generations, wrapped in the seemingly mundane tasks of everyday life? Brace yourself, because today, we're going to dive into a fascinating journey of time-honored wisdom, hidden in plain sight. Imagine, it's Monday. The white clothes are washed and placed on the stone heap, gleaming in their purity. Come Tuesday, the color clothes take their turn, hanging on the clothesline under the open sky. This cycle might seem ordinary, but it's a reflection of order, planning, and the value of routine. Now, consider the hot sun blazing overhead. It's tempting to walk bareheaded, feeling the warmth on your skin, but caution advises against it. A simple reminder to protect oneself, even when the danger isn't immediately apparent. Then there's the art of cooking. Pumpkin fritters sizzling in very hot sweet oil, or saltfish soaked overnight before it hits the pan. The secret of delicious food lies not just in the ingredients, but also in the process, the patience, and the care. We move on to the world of fashion and maintenance. When buying cotton for a blouse, ensuring it doesn't have gum on it guarantees longevity after a wash. This nugget of wisdom underscores the importance of quality and foresight. And then there's the realm of conduct and etiquette. The advice to not sing Benna in Sunday school, to walk like a lady on Sundays, to avoid speaking to wharf rat boys, and to not eat fruits on the street as flies will follow, all serve as gentle navigations through the maze of societal expectations and personal choices. The wisdom doesn't stop there. It extends to skills and chores, sewing on a button, making a buttonhole, hemming a dress, ironing a shirt without a crease. It's about maintaining appearances and taking pride in personal presentation. It even covers gardening, growing okra far from the house to avoid red ants, ensuring Dasheen gets plenty of water to prevent itching throats. It's about understanding the natural world and our place within it. There's advice on how to smile, varying by the degree to which you like the recipient. It's a lesson in communication, in expressing genuine emotion while also navigating social nuances. And what about setting a table? Whether it's tea, breakfast, lunch, dinner, or an important guest, each occasion has its own code. It's a lesson in hospitality and the subtle art of making others feel welcome. In the presence of unfamiliar men, the advice is to behave in such a way that the slut the advisor fears you might become isn't immediately recognized. This is a potent reminder of the power of first impressions and the sometimes harsh judgments society can pass. The wisdom continues, touching on personal hygiene, appropriate play, respect for nature, cooking various dishes, dealing with illness, and even handling relationships with men. The advice is rich, varied, and insightful. In closing, the wisdom passed down through generations is more than mere instructions. It's a roadmap through life, a guide to navigating the complexities of the world. It's about making ends meet, ensuring freshness in bread, and even the freedom to spit in the air if you feel like it, just as long as you can dodge it on its way down. So ponder this. Will you be the kind of woman who the baker won't let near the bread? Or will you, armed with this wisdom, navigate through life with grace, resilience, and a touch of rebellion?